Hello friends, in today's video, I show you how you can exactly get rubber in one's human. While unfortunately, unlike many other materials in one's human, rubber cannot be directly looted from the environment. The only way to get rubber is by breaking down scrap items at the disassembly bench. Thankfully, you can begin your rubber hunt from Dayton wetlands, the starting area in one's human. This area is packed with towns, factories, and abandoned settlements, all of which contain chests and craft you can loot. Some of the best spots in farm rubber are Dayton Hospital, Brookham Guard House, and Overlook Town. Beside this, you can explore areas in Iron River, especially around the East Backwell Junction and Securement Silo. Key zones to find crates and chests that drop random scraps. Loot everything you can find and pick up as many items as possible to maximize your rubber yield. Here are the example of scrap items that yield rubber when disassembled include basketballs, footballs, leather shoes, gloves, and many more. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.